I'm John L. from Sullivan Super Service, Plumbing, Heating, and Air. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how not to get ripped off by a plumber. We've all heard that horror story of the plumber who charged too much, or didn't do the job correctly, or took forever to get it finished. And I have some suggestions here to help prevent that problem happening to you. Number one, know your plumbing problem completely and ask lots of questions before you make a commitment. Number two, make sure that they are licensed and insured. You can check them out with the Better Business Bureau. You can ask them to show you their license or certifications, and you can ask them to prove their insurance qualification. Number three, get a firm price and a firm schedule before they start the work. The plumber should be able to tell you exactly what it'll cost and exactly when he will finish the work. Number four, ask for a warranty. A plumber who's been in business any amount of time and plans to be in business in the future will be happy to guarantee his work for at least a year and many times longer. 5, get second opinions. Don't consider the first option, consider all your options. So if you need any help with your plumbing problem, don't hesitate to call us at 412-271-0900 or visit us on the web at sullivanservice.com.